Look at the babies. Come here. Come up here, hens. Up here, guys. Come on. Come on up here. You're on camera. Hens, come up here. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Come on up here. You're on camera. To the camera. These are the youngest ones. Them's hens right there. There's 4 hens, and I believe there's a rooster. You can tell the rooster in the back with the high comb. There he is. That's old T. Tommy. T. Tommy? You can tell the little hens with their feathers sticking up on top of their head. Do something, guys, for the camera. Do something very wild. Tick, 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 tick. Come on. Well, that's the ones. Here's the other ones. They've really growed. Hey, guys, stay right here now. Come back in here. See what you're doing. Hey, Whiteys. Yeah, they've really grown. This ain't all of them. Come over here to the camera. Get yourself on the camera. Can be on the camera today, hen. Fly up there. Fly up higher. You're about tall as a pole. There's the black hen, and there's another one. Oh yeah, there we go. There's the Rhode Island Red. Anybody else want to fly up high? Come on now. Oh, there she's coming over here. That's a white leghorn, Rhode Island Red. And the black one, I'm not for sure the name of them. Get over here closer. They have really grown. Just give the Lord the praise. One of them, the black hens. I believe it's sitting right there. Can't hardly tell, but she's got feathers on her feet. Well, I guess it'll be